Chapter 7, Section 2, Adding and Subtracting Polynomials. You have been adding and subtracting polynomials since 6th grade. That is, well, it's not a simplified polynomial. We need to simplify it first. So that'd be 4x plus 4y plus 8. Okay, so that's a polynomial plus 2y plus 4x. All right, so you're adding two polynomials. You're just adding like terms. That's all you're doing. 8x plus 6y plus 8. So I say you've been doing this for a while. But, of course, we're getting a little bit more difficult. We've got more exponents. There are two ways you can do it. You can do it the vertical method, which is what we've been doing. Or you can do it horizontal, where you put like terms over like terms and do it that way. So I'll show you both ways in this video. You're going to do them both ways in this video. And then after today, you do it the way you like best. Okay, so this says find the sum using horizontal method. So that means everything's going to go horizontally the way it is right now. All right, so 3a squared plus 8 plus 5a minus 1. Like terms, that's by itself, but these are like terms. Remember, we always keep the sign in front of it, or we do add the opposite so we don't lose it. So there is nothing like 3a squared. There's nothing like 5a. Now we're left with 5 plus negative 1. 3a squared plus 5a plus 7. You could have done that in your head and written down your answer, and that would have been just fine. Try to make sure your final answer is in standard form, where you go from your descending degrees. All right, so now vertically, we're going to stack them one above the other, but you want to stack like terms. Okay, this is an addition sign, so that's cool. This is like this one's like this one, and this one's like this one. So we're going to write them just one above the other, making sure our like terms are like each other. Negative x squared plus 5x plus 4. 3x squared minus 8x plus 9. So if you remember this, it should look similar to you, because that's how we solved systems of linear equations using elimination. We put one above the other. All right, so this one right here, 5 plus negative 8 is negative 3. And you guys are algebra students. Don't leave it like this. Simplify it to the minus sign again. And it's in standard form, so we are done. All right, when subtracting polynomials, add the opposite of each term, distribute the negative one first, then add. So this is a subtraction sign that has to go toward everything. So I'm just going to rewrite the first one exactly how it is. Then I'm going to do a plus sign. Then everything inside, I'm going to do the opposite. 2y squared becomes negative 2y squared. Negative 5y becomes plus 5y. Negative 3 becomes plus 3. All right, so I'm going to do it horizontally first. So y squared plus negative 2y squared plus 4y plus 5y plus 3. Checking to make sure I have the same number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lost one. Plus 2. It's a good thing I checked because I lost a term. Add my like terms. Negative y squared plus 9y plus 5. Okay, now I'm going to do it vertically. Y squared plus 4y plus 2, negative 2y squared plus 5y plus 3, making sure like terms are above each other. Y squared minus 2y squared is negative y squared plus 9y plus 5. I get the same exact answer. It's just whichever way you like to do best. All right, so hit pause and you try and do this one. Hit play when you're done. Did you get 3x squared plus 4x plus 5? If you did, move on to the next slide. If not, let's see what happened. This is a minus sign, so I have to change the signs of both of those inside. So I'm going to write my first polynomial exactly the way it is, then a plus sign. Now I'm changing the sign of everything inside the parentheses. Now I'm going to look at like terms. All right, so I underline x squared, 5x squared plus negative 2x squared, because those are like terms. They both have x squared. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3x squared plus, see, I only have a single x term, so that stays. Now I have negative 1 plus 6, so that is 5, a positive 5. So that's how I got my answer. If you did it one above the other, vertically, so that's horizontally, vertically, changing my sign, negative 2x squared plus 6. I did not have an x term, so I leave that spot blank. 5 minus 2 is 3, x squared plus 4x plus 5. I get the same answer. When you take your picture and upload it, on this one you can do either one, whichever one you did correctly. And that's it.